Next up, we've got Invisiframe fitting to this bike. We are the Birmingham Central Invisiframe fitters. We are also Suntech PPF Centre for Central Birmingham. So this is my usual type of job. Porsches, as you can see, Lamborghinis, Aston Martins, that's the normal. And then we are the Invisiframe fitters for Central Birmingham. So big interest in bikes. These are obviously my #1 love. But big interest in bikes, got my own YT decoy. So we'll be Invisiframing this and getting it protected. Brand new bike, very valuable, and we'll be going from there. So let's get this recorded and I'll show you how to get this down and what the finished article looks like. So here's the finished article. All protected, nice and clean and neat. So, all the way around. Back of the seat stay, all protected. Front, we've got the forks. So this section underneath the crown, round the top here, sorry, underneath the bridge here, round here, top of the crown, top. So really comprehensive kit. Even down to the little monitor has been PPF'd, the little monitor screen. So yeah, that is Invisiframe fitting. Absolutely enjoyed doing it. Hopefully the other customers, any customers that want to have a go themselves or want to get it fitted by ourselves, this is the complete kit. Probably looking around £300 to have the complete kit fitted. Actually, this was not an easy bike to actually fit, to be honest with you. I think anybody that didn't have experience fitting PPF could struggle because I needed to use some of the tools that I didn't think I would need to use, and I've done quite a few of these. But these newer bikes with these complex shapes require a little bit of steam at times to get it round certain areas, but as you can see, it's really nice and neat as well. I think the customer will be really happy with that. And an awesome bike. Peace.